Where's Memzab?
She can come soon enough.
Later that day, I left for Mombasa and the voyage home to Denmark. It was a longer journey this time. The war went on. I fought my own war. Arsenic was my ally against an enemy I never saw. I stayed in the room where I was born, in Rangstedland, and tried to remember the colors of Africa. There was only the medicine and walks with my mother along a deserted stretch of beach, and this room in my mother's house. Denmark had become a stranger to me, and I to her. But my mother's house I came to know again, and knew I would come back to it, sick or well, sane or mad someday. And so I did, after Savo. Juma.
Jambo Memsa. Karibu nyumbani Memsa. Karibu.
Juma.
Oh, asante.
I am cooking now, Memsa.
Yes, I have heard about this. Are you well, Farah?
I am well enough, Sabu.
Then I am well enough also.
How can it be now? With me and yourself?
You will have some money. Enough, I think.
I do not speak of money.
Do you remember how it was on safari? In the afternoons, I would send you ahead to look for a camp, and you would wait for me.
You can see the fire and come to this place.
Yes. Well, it will be like that. Only this time I will go ahead and wait for you.
It is far where you are going?
Yes.
You must make this fire very big so I can find you.
This is very dear to me. It has helped me to find my way.
Thank you, sir.
I want to hear you say my name.
You are Karen, Sabu.